Microsoft has poured billions into OpenAI, but now they seem to be taking a different route. Instead of relying entirely on OpenAI's technology, Microsoft is secretly building its own in-house AI, MAI. Could this be a strategy to cut costs and take full control over the future of AI, or is it a sign that Microsoft is losing faith in OpenAI? Let's break it all down. For years, Microsoft and OpenAI were like inseparable allies. With investments totaling nearly $14 billion, Microsoft played a major role in OpenAI's rise. They even became OpenAI's exclusive cloud provider on Azure. But things are changing fast. Rumors are swirling that Microsoft is working on a powerful AI model that could rival OpenAI's GPT series, the very same models that power ChatGPT. Reports suggest that Microsoft has internally developed a family of large language models, LLMs, under the name MAI, short for Microsoft AI. Why would Microsoft do this when they already have access to OpenAI's tech? The answer might be simple: control and cost. OpenAI's latest AI agents reportedly come with a jaw-dropping price tag, up to $20,000 per month. That's a massive expense, even for a tech giant like Microsoft. With MAI, they could slash these costs and have full ownership of their AI's capabilities. Here's where things get really interesting. Microsoft isn't just testing their own AI models. They're also experimenting with external ones from Meta, xAI, DeepSeek, and Anthropic. Insiders claim that MAI performs just as well as OpenAI's models, if not better in some key benchmarks. But let's talk about what's at stake here: money. Running AI models at a large scale isn't cheap. The hardware alone is outrageously expensive. AI chips can cost between $10,000 to $30,000 each, and setting up an entire AI server rack, that's easily over $500,000. This massive cost is part of the reason OpenAI is charging such insane subscription fees. To put things into perspective, OpenAI's AI agents are rumored to have pricing tiers reaching $220,000 per month for the most advanced versions. Companies like SoftBank are reportedly committing $3 billion to these AI agents just this year, hoping they can replace high-paid human experts in industries like finance and research. But here's the real question: can AI truly replace skilled professionals, or is it just overhyped? Smaller startups are offering coding agents at much lower prices, some as cheap as $500 a month. So, why is OpenAI charging such insane amounts? And more importantly, can Microsoft's MAI offer the same capabilities at a fraction of the cost? Microsoft's recent actions show they are quietly distancing themselves from OpenAI. Earlier this year, they renegotiated their agreement, giving OpenAI the freedom to use other cloud providers like Oracle instead of being locked into Azure. This came just as Microsoft started pumping $80 billion into AI infrastructure, a massive portion of which is focused on building their own data centers and models. It's not just about business decisions. Microsoft is also pushing groundbreaking research. One of their most fascinating projects is the Belief State Transformer, BST. This new AI architecture is designed to revolutionize how AI plans and thinks. Unlike traditional left-to-right processing models, BST can predict both future and past tokens, making it incredibly powerful for reasoning tasks. In simple terms, BST makes AI way smarter at problem-solving and planning ahead. Early experiments show that it significantly outperforms older models in complex logic-based tasks. If Microsoft successfully scales BST into their MAI models, they could have an edge over OpenAI's GPT series in ways we haven't seen before. This is where the competition really heats up. If Microsoft's BST-enhanced models can handle complex decision-making better than traditional AI, we might be looking at a shift in how AI is developed and used. This could be particularly impactful for AI in fields like finance, law, healthcare, and research, where accuracy and strategic planning are critical. On top of that, BST's ability to generate text by considering both forward and backward context means we might see a major leap in AI-generated content, better storytelling, more accurate responses, and fewer hallucinations. Microsoft might be on the verge of something truly groundbreaking. The once close partnership between Microsoft and OpenAI is shifting into a competitive rivalry. Microsoft is no longer shy about calling OpenAI a competitor in areas like search, advertising, and cloud computing. They're testing external AI models, funding advanced research, and aggressively investing in their own AI ecosystem. Meanwhile, OpenAI isn't backing down. They continue to push updates to ChatGPT, including memory capabilities and enhanced multimodal reasoning, ensuring they stay ahead in user-friendly AI services. Plus, OpenAI is reportedly working on GPT-5, which could be an even bigger leap forward. But the real battlefield here is enterprise AI, with OpenAI charging sky-high prices and burning through cash to keep up with demand. Microsoft might be positioning itself as the cheaper, more scalable alternative. And let's be honest, if Microsoft's MAI performs just as well as OpenAI's models, but at a fraction of the cost, why would companies keep paying OpenAI's insane fees? The AI landscape is evolving rapidly, and this battle for AI supremacy will only get more intense. Microsoft is betting big on MAI and BST, while OpenAI is doubling down on its lead in conversational AI. But there's one wild card: Google. With its DeepMind division developing Gemini models, Google is another powerhouse looking to dominate AI. If Google enters the ring with a game-changing update, we might see an all-out war between Microsoft, OpenAI, and Google for AI dominance. One thing is certain: this AI war is far from over, and the competition is only going to heat up even more. Who will come out on top? Will Microsoft's MAI overtake OpenAI, or will OpenAI strike back with even more powerful innovations? Either way, we're in for an exciting battle ahead. So, there you have it, folks. Microsoft's new AI, MAI, is set to replace OpenAI in the near future. Stay tuned for more updates on this exciting development in the world of technology. If you're interested in learning more about these incredible AI platforms, be sure to check out our other video on this channel. We've got all the insights you need to make an informed decision. Thanks for tuning in. And don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more tech info and comparisons. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring.